Hey everyone, so I'm here to show you about the Kami library. It has a lot of great stuff in there, so I wanted to show you how to use it so that we can start using our tools a little bit more extensively. All right, so I'm going to click on the K so I can open Kami. And as you can see, there's a ton of templates up here that are already trending. I'm going to click on Explore Kami Library. And I can filter it however I need to. You can see I can filter it by grade, I can add types, or I can add subjects. All right, there's a good bit of stuff in here that's really great. Bubble Map for mind mapping, Frayer Model, great vocab resource where you put the vocab word in here. You can add a YouTube video, a picture, a synonym, and the definition, a Venn diagram. You play chess. You can have your students play chess with one another. They could write maybe some ideas into somebody wanted but so. That's something that I know we use in history and in ELA. Notice and wonder notes, just having students interact with these different graphic organizers will help them kind of organize the information in their head. Now, it's not even like that's not even the best part. So we have all these great resources. I'm going to head it over to the one that I opened and I put a word in here. So I would want my students to work on interpreting this word and making it so that they can understand what this word means. Okay, so we're going to go to add media. I have options here. If I have a picture on my computer, I can add that. If I have a picture in my Google Drive, I can add that, but I can also do a Google image search. So I'm going to Google image search and I'm going to pick an image that might make sense for me. So I'll just click on this one, click insert image, and I will put it here. Okay. Now, I'm also going to ask my students to tell me what this word means or what it has to do with. So I'm going to click on comment, go to the voice comment, and have them click anywhere for their voice comment. Now the voice comment starts automatically, but now I'm going to require them to tell me what an allele is and how it connects to genetics and the Punnett square and all of those things. So this really has a lot of use to not only help them organize their information, but it's multimodal. And I'm not just talking about this particular graphic organizer, but all of those graphic organizers. They can talk their answers, they can do a video comment, so it'll put their face there like I'm doing now. They can do a text comment, or they can do a screen capture. So if you want them to explain everything that they add in their graphic or in their graphic organizer, whether it's the Frayer model, a mind map, who won at chess, what strategies they used, it's really awesome because of these features. These features are what set Kami apart. The fact that there's many different ways that they can input student responses. Okay, so that's so simple. It's so simple for them to use. All right, so that's what I wanted to show you today. How do I assign this to my students? Okay, so if I pick a graphic organizer, you can set it up. Maybe you add one or two things. They have to add the other two things. You can just go right to these three lines up here like I clicked on. You get your drop-down menu. You hit Create Assignment. Wait for it to open. You add your title. Make a copy for each student. So if you added voice memos, videos, anything that you added in here, if you make a copy for each student, they get a copy of that also. So if you want to give them a hint at the graphic organizer, at the definition, or at whatever topic that you're adding, you can do that. You just have to set it up beforehand. Click the class that you're going to send it to. Click the students. If you want to add all students, you can. If you want to just add a few students, you can do that. And then you would click Assign. And it's really that simple. This is such a great feature. I'm so glad that they included this because there's so many different graphic organizers that you can use in order to help your students understand the information, organize the information, and help you present the information, giving them choices at responses and maybe even annotating it before you send it out. All right, so I hope this helps. If you need any support, please let me know, and I will be more than willing to have a phone chat, have a Google Meet, or come on down. All right, I'll talk to you soon.